All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at all the odd-numbered questions. So I want to complete the statements. If those triangles are congruent, then QX is congruent to NY, and then angle Y is congruent to angle X. If I have triangle map and triangle tie, and those angles are congruent, then what is the relationship between angle M and angle T? They are congruent. Are congruent, I guess I could use the congruent symbol, by the third angles theorem. Okay, so if measure of angle A is equal to 52 and P is equal to 36, then what's T? And that is going to be 92. So 52 plus 36 plus measure of angle T has to be equal to 180. So measure of angle T is equal to 92. Okay. All right, so number 5. So if ABC is congruent to DEF, then angle B and E are congruent to each other. So then that means that 3y is equal to 6y minus 12. So negative 3y is equal to negative 12. So then y is equal to 4. So I wanted to find the measure of the length. So I want the measure of angle B is going to be equal to 3 times 4, which is 12, which is going to be the same thing as measure of angle E. All right, so now 7, if those two triangles are congruent, then AC and DF have to be equal to each other. So that means that 7A plus 5 has to be equal to 5A plus 9. So 2A plus 5 is equal to 9. So 2A is equal to 4. So A is equal to 2. So that means that 7 times 2 plus 5, which is 19. So that means that AC is equal to 19 and DF is also equal to 19 because they were congruent. Okay? And then these two triangles are congruent, which means that 6x has to equal 30, so x has to be equal to 5. Okay? And that is it for the odd numbered questions.